This is the Titan PHD25 pulse hole digger. And it comes with a pretty nice set of directions and gets down to assembly instructions and gives you step by step. So that's what we're going to do. And the first thing it says to do is to attach arm to lower hitch points. If the tractor has a category 2 hitch, use the bushings provided on the arch pins. So let's do that. So let me cut away some of this plastic. So on which side? This I'm gonna go. Step 2. Attach the arch to the boom with the pin and the cotter pins provided. So we have to take this link out. We're going to get pin. And then we take this. Ouch. Finger. And we take this. And we gotta pick it up. Works out perfect, and that's as high as it goes. Step 3, attach gearbox to boom with pins and cotter pins provided. I'm not as young as I used to be. Now, number 4, attach PTO shield to top of the gearbox with the bolts provided. The bolts are actually in the gearbox. Okay. Step number 5. Prepare the PTO for attachment. Remove any formateur or paint from the input shaft of the gearbox. Separate PTO drive shaft. Use a good grade of gun grease and put a light coat on the universal joint drive shaft. Then insert into drive shaft 2. Okay. separate. We did that. Attach PTO to gearbox. They didn't tell me to put it back together yet. He also didn't tell me which end goes, but I think that end goes up there. Now, we gotta get the drive shaft on. I guess it's in. Now we're into G. Raise and lower the boom through its complete operation arc and check that nothing interferes with the operation. If anything interferes, make the proper 3-point hitch adjustments. All right, up and down. That was G. Number 6, attach the output shaft shield to the lower gearbox. Okay, here's the problem. Right there is a drain plug for the gearbox. And that's the hole they provided, and they don't line up. So we're gonna have to drill that hole. The hole they provided for the drain plug in the bottom was located in the right spot, and it wasn't big enough, so I enlarged it. Okay, we're getting down there. It now says, attach the auger to the gearbox using bolts, lock washers, and hex nuts provided. Want to help me here a second? Okay, so this hole is lined up like that, okay? So we want, that's the top hole. That's the top hole. So we're going to go like this. Right. Okay, these might go. Well, that doesn't really, that's a heck of a bind. Okay, what we have here is the culmination of one project and the start of another. This is the culmination of the unboxing of the Titan hole digger. You finally got an oil and put oil in the gear case. Everything is greased. The drive shaft length has been checked. So we're going to drill a hole. We're going to try to drill a hole. Now, I don't profess to know how to drill a hole. I watched a couple of YouTube videos, and essentially you want it to start off, at least according to the experts, you want it to start off at a little bit of an angle like this, and as it goes down it articulates and it should straighten itself out. If it doesn't, I'll back up a little bit. One more thing, I did call DigSafe. It turns out that those pipes, I don't know if you can see them, are way up on my property here and go way down that way. So it's a good thing I called. This is a Titan 3-point hitch pulse hole digger. It was shipped in a steel crate, but somehow the carrier was able to smash in the bottom of it, have it look like that in appearance, and have the outside be pushed out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the pieces out of here and take them down to the other barn and assemble them. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that road rash. That's something. Brand new. Same thing. Oh, that's just jammed in there. Oh, this drive shaft, the plastic is crushed. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, well, now it's down inside. But the plastic safety cover is now an oblong rather than a circle. And there's supposed to be two guards. That's ridiculous. You can obviously see what happened. Somebody hit it here and pushed it really hard that way.